You can specify the files to search by selecting Files, a text list, or a folder. When using folders, you can include all subfolders as well. In this case, we will simply choose a group of files in a folder. Once you have told the tool which files to search, you specify the search words and choose other options. Then you can control which parts of the drawing to search, including object types, tables such as layer, and drawing properties. Then click the Start button to begin searching the files. If a drawing contains the search terms, it appears in the list at the bottom. You can copy the list to the clipboard and see details of a specified file. You can also indicate you want to open the files in the editor on Edit. This tool works quickly because the drawings are opened as databases, not in the editor.